Happy Friday, LAHS USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, April 3rd, 2026. We're kicking off this week's episode of the wrap-up with a little flashback to last Saturday when our tiniest speed racers hit the track for the district's Child Development Center Trike-a-Thon. Presented by the Friends of the CDC, this annual event brings together preschool students and families to raise funds that directly support our preschool programs. It was a morning full of smiles, cheering, and lots of trike laps. And we're still celebrating from last weekend as we send a huge congratulations to our LAHS sound effects and soundtrack show choirs who returned from Orlando as the 2026 Heart of America Grand National Champions. Our Griffins truly swept the competition, earning Best Vocals, Best Visuals, Best Show Design, and Best Soloists. They returned home this week to a crowd of family, friends, and supporters cheering them on. What an incredible accomplishment for these talented students and their directors. In other high school news, our baseball program hosted a wonderful unified day this week, bringing together students of all abilities for an afternoon full of fun and inclusion. Students in our life skills program had the chance to warm up with varsity baseball players, take the field, help during the game, cheer one another along, and also throw out the first pitch. It was a great reminder that sports are at their best when everyone has the chance to participate. In district-wide news, we had the opportunity to celebrate our February and March Rock Stars of the Month. Congratulations to our classified rock stars, Lindsay Adams, Extended Daycare Clerical Assistant, and Katie Monagle, School Office Coordinator at McAuliffe, along with our certificated honorees, Maddie Main, Speech and Language Pathologist at McAuliffe, and Jill Cruz, District Math Teacher on Special Assignment. Congratulations to all of our rock stars. Over at Oak Middle School, science students put their CO2-powered car designs to the test this week. Races took place in the gym all week, and competition will continue after spring break, so stay tuned to see who takes the title. A huge shout out and thank you to LAHS for funding innovation grants to keep this awesome project running for our students. Also in middle school news, Oak and McAuliffe both hosted their open houses on Thursday evening. Our students and families filled classrooms, walked the campus, and got a first-hand look at all of the incredible learning that's been happening this year. We're so grateful for everyone who came to support our schools and celebrate our awesome Lion and Eagle communities. Over in elementary news, our Los Alamitos Tigers got a first-hand look at law enforcement in action during a visit from the Garden Grove Police Department. Students learned about safety, explored the tools officers use, and asked a lot of thoughtful questions. It was a hands-on experience and an exciting look at possible future careers. Over at McGaugh, our second graders took the stage for their annual musical performance, The Four Seasons. From singing and choreography to lots of smiles and confidence, our Sea Lions did a wonderful job sharing the music they've been working on with their families. And finally, Los Alamitos High School ASB students continued their visits to our elementary schools, this time spending the day with our Lee Leopards. Together, they made posters, participated in team building activities, and of course, learned the iconic roller coaster. We love seeing our future Griffins build connections and get excited about what lies ahead. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and restful spring break.
And that's the wrap up!